I'd like to introduce you to the Industrial Marking and Signage Extension for CET Material Handling. This accessory extension allows users to place visual cues, safety signs, and floor markings directly into their warehouse layouts to help streamline compliance and communication across operations. You can download the Industrial Marketing and Signage Extension from the Marketplace in the Accessories area. You'll just hover over that extension and click the Install button. After the download, CET will prompt you to update and restart. Upon restart, the new extension will be available for you to use. The Industrial Marking and Signage Extension has two different tabs: Markings and Signs. The Markings tab has tools to apply tape lines to your floor, parking designation, crosswalks, and egress. The Signs tab has many different signs available for you to add to your space. Be sure to check out the quick properties as you are working with these tools, because there are many different options available to customize these as you are placing them. I will add some parking spaces for an example today. I'll use the Parking tool, check out the preferences within my quick properties, and then place my parking area. I can use the stretch nodes and the quick properties to make further adjustments. When placing signs, there are a few properties to pay attention to. We can place these either vertically or horizontally. If I wanted to place something on the wall, I would place it vertically. Again, I can change those quick properties to something that is appropriate. If I wanted to place a sign on the floor, I would want to use the option to place horizontally.